with another portfolio update. It's been about a month, so this is my progress. We did about 10,000 in the month of March. So I'm gonna also show you my trades. Alright, here you go. Deposited 5,000 here. As you know, this is a high savings, slow growth account. So we're not taking any great risk. We're gonna be saving, we're gonna be maintaining discipline. So we started off the month target, took assignment, got out of the assignment, and got out of the trade. So during this downturn in the beginning of in March, what you have to do when there is high volatility is you have to go to large cap growth stuff. So Target, for example, was definitely one of those. Some others would be Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, Salesforce. So these type of companies are large cap and they still are able to grow. And this was also an earning play. So I made out with, I believe, partial credit, so maybe like 370 out of this. So as you see, the strike was 175, and once I took assignment on the Monday, I believe I got out at 173.95. So you could do the math. You can minus the difference, and you can see here. And played some meme stocks as well with whatever left over. Palantir was also heavily oversold. I believe there was a big correction because it's one of those large market cap, but the earnings doesn't really justify that. But it's such a meme stock that there's so many play on it. So yeah, I believe it's one of those early companies that's still trying to figure out its position, and you never know, it will surprise you. So I play around with that, and I'm also fine with taking ownership. So as you see down here, mid March, Palantir. You can see all the credit just building up over here where I decide to close Palantir. And then towards the end, I did a Chewy play. It was earnings. So this company I follow, and I'm quite familiar with this company. All time high was like around 125, and this just got destroyed. I've played with this ticker sometime last fall, around 60, 50, upper 50s to, yeah, mid 60s. So when it reached over 100 something, I didn't even touch it. So after the 30% sell off, and it was hovering around, I believe, 84, 85. That's when I went in with 80, and I knew they were gonna beat the target. They were gonna be earn expectations. So they've been beating quarter over quarter, but they are still relatively new, and it's about being profitable. So I was comfortable with taking assignment under 80. So you see the credit over here. At one point, I believe it even dropped to 78, 79, but then it took off back to, yeah, the low 80s and mid 80s. So over here, towards the end, this was the Archegos drama, Bill Huang drama, and there was just red across the board during the last months of March. Tesla, I took assignment on this. 6:30, it was trading, I believe, on Monday on the opening day. it on the 22nd it was around 680, if I'm not mistaken, 680. So it's still finding it's consolidating. It's still finding that average, that medium point. It's definitely holding around 600 to six to around 690 range, and I was comfortable with the 630. I I I'm aware of the company. I follow it. I like it. It is very innovative. They are first movers, and I've taken assignment on this, and I ended up getting out. I've taken assignment on this. I believe it dropped even to 590 at one point, but of course during the long weekend, they managed, I believe, 170 something 74,000 deliveries, so it was a beat. And also the infrastructure plan rolled out, it was also a beat, so it gapped up and I've gotten out with some money. So that was my big play for the month of March. So if you like content like this, by all means, please like and subscribe. Follow me. I'm trying to grow this account into $1 million. I am trying to stay disciplined. I hope you guys come along with the journey. Stick along, stick around with me, and let's do this together. Let's try to maintain focus, stay disciplined, save, make very well risk adjusted bets and returns, and let's see what we could do. All right, take care.